Medicare Scams. Be alert to $100 billion Medicare scams and fraud. For seniors aged 65 or older, it's important to be vigilant against Medicare scams that aim to steal money, identities, and banking information. Scammers are constantly devising new methods to deceive unsuspecting victims. One of the latest scams involves durable medical equipment, DME. In these scams, victims receive unnecessary equipment or supplies, which are then billed to Medicare or Medicaid, generating substantial payments for the scammers. The fraudsters then continue to harass the victims for county payments and secondary insurance information, creating additional opportunities to exploit them. Recently, doctors and executives from medical equipment and telemedicine companies were charged with Medicare fraud. The Department of Justice accused them of participating in a kickback scheme that utilized overseas call centers to target elderly individuals and employed doctors to prescribe unneeded medical supplies. A recent CNBC investigation exposes the extent of Medicare and Medicaid fraud, with annual estimates exceeding $100 billion. The Office of Inspector General, OIG, reveals bold schemes, such as burying stolen Medicare funds in PVC pipes and establishing fraudulent businesses in the same building as the OIG. A convicted fraudster admits that it's very easy to make millions and evade law enforcement due to the prevalence of fraud. Other common Medicare scams include Medicare cancellation. Scammers may call you and claim that your Medicare coverage has been canceled. They may ask for your personal information, such as your social security number or bank account number, in order to reactivate your coverage. Do not give out any personal information to someone who calls you unexpectedly. Instead, hang up the phone and call Medicare directly. Medicare card replacement. Scammers may send you a letter or email that looks like it's from Medicare, asking you to update your personal information or replace your Medicare card. Do not click on any links in these emails or reply to them. Instead, go to the official Medicare website to check your account information or request a new card. Fake medical bills. Scammers may send you a bill that looks like it's from a doctor or hospital. However, the bill may be for services that you never received. Do not pay any bill without first verifying that it is legitimate. You can contact the doctor or hospital directly to inquire about the bill. You can also call Medicare at 1-800-MEDICARE to verify the bill. Genetic testing. Scammers may call you and offer free or discounted genetic testing. However, there may be hidden fees or costs associated with the testing. You should always research a genetic testing company before you agree to have your DNA tested. You can find more information about genetic testing on the Medicare. Fake mailers. Scammers may send you a mailer that looks like it's from Medicare or a government agency. The mailer may offer you a free gift or service in exchange for your personal information. Do not respond to these mailers. Instead, contact the government agency directly to inquire about the offer. Fake refunds. Scammers may call you and claim that you are owed a refund from Medicare. They may ask for your bank account information in order to deposit the refund. Do not give out your bank account information to someone who calls you unexpectedly. Instead, contact Medicare directly to inquire about a refund. Free medical supplies. Scammers may call you and offer you free medical supplies, such as wheelchairs, walkers, or oxygen tanks. However, there may be hidden fees or costs associated with the delivery or use of the supplies. You should always research a medical supply company before you agree to receive free supplies. You can find more information about medical supplies on the Medicare website, www.medicare.gov. Be aware of common Medicare scams to protect yourself from becoming a victim. Remember, Medicare will never contact you unless you've requested a callback or initiated contact, nor will they visit your home. Exercise caution with unsolicited calls, especially those asking for personal information. If you suspect a scam, hang up or delete the email immediately. Don't provide personal information to unexpected callers. Instead, contact the government agency directly to inquire. You should also report suspected Medicare scams to the following agencies: Medicare Fraud Hotline, 1-800-MEDICARE, 1-800-633-4227. Office of Inspector General, OIG. Hotline, 1-800-HHS-TIPS, 1-800-447-8477. By being aware of these scams and taking steps to protect yourself, You help ensure the safety of your Medicare benefits. Thanks for watching.